Good morning and Jai Hind students. I am Nutan Gupta sending the video of the chapter of verb. Do you know what is the verb? It's very simple. Action word is called verb. This is the very small definition for the verb. The verb that shows main action in a sentence are called main verb. The verb that helps the main verb to complete the meaning and show the tense of the sentence are called helping verb. For example, I can speak a little Tamil. This is speak is the main verb and can is the helping verb, which is helping to complete the sentence is can. He is working late today. Is the helping verb which make the complete sentence by the working. Working is the main verb. They are working late today. Are is the helping verb and working is the main verb. Are is make the complete sentence by using working with the main verb. So, there are two types of verb, main verb and helping verb. The most common helping words are to be, am is, was, were, to have has, had, to do, does, did, and modals. Could, should, would, can, shall, will, may, might, must. These are the modals. In previous class, all of you have read about the to be, to have and to do various chapters. Let us discuss about transitive and intransitive verb. For example, Mayank threw the ball. Mayank ने क्या फेंका? Ball. It means ball is the object. Radhika loves the puppies. What is? किसको प्यार करती है राधिका? Puppies को. Puppies are the object. These sentences have an object. An object is a person or thing that receive the action of the verb. Verb that had object are called transitive verb. Very simple. जिन sentences के बाद में verb object आता है, it means they are called transitive verb. Now let's read about the intransitive verb. She laughed loud. A loud is not a object. The trees are moving in the breeze. Breeze is not a object. These sentences do not have an object. Verbs that do not have an object are called intransitive verb. For example, words fly. Words fly, there is no object. That means this is the intransitive verb. Mary Kom won the bot. क्या जीता? Bot. It means this is transitive verb. A light was shining. This is not have the object. That means this is intransitive verb. I think it will be clear to all of you what is the difference between main verb and helping verb and what is the difference between transitive and intransitive verb. I am again repeating, transitive verb who have the objects in the sentence and transitive verb those who have not an object.